Join me as I take on the challenge of finding ways to empower my faith during life's toughest moments. Can I really keep my spirits up when everything seems to be falling apart? Empowering our faith during life's toughest moments is crucial for personal growth and resilience. When we're faced with challenges, it's easy to feel like we're losing our footing, but having a strong faith can be the anchor that holds us steady. It's what helps us navigate the darkest of times and come out stronger on the other side. Life can be incredibly tough, and it's common to struggle with maintaining our faith during adversity. Doubt creeps in, fear takes hold, and feelings of isolation can be overwhelming. It's like being in a storm with no clear direction, and it's hard to keep our heads above water. Sometimes it feels like God is nowhere to be found, and that's when our faith is truly tested. These struggles are real, and it's okay to acknowledge them. What's important is how we respond to them. When fear and doubt take hold, it's easy to get caught up in negative thought patterns and lose sight of our faith. But what if we could find a way to overcome these struggles and come out stronger on the other side? What if we could learn to trust God even when things don't make sense? One of the biggest challenges is feeling isolated, like we're the only ones going through this. But the truth is, we're not alone. We all face struggles, and we all have moments where our faith is tested. The question is, how do we move forward when it feels like everything is falling apart? How do we find the strength to keep going? So, what can we do to empower our faith during these tough moments? One strategy is to turn to prayer. When we're struggling, prayer can be a powerful way to connect with God and find peace. Another strategy is to surround ourselves with a supportive community. We don't have to go through this alone. Having people who can encourage and support us can make all the difference. Biblical principles also offer guidance on how to strengthen our faith. Reflecting on past experiences can help us see God's faithfulness and provision in our lives. When we look back on times when God has come through for us, it can give us the courage to trust Him in the present. We can also find strength in Scripture, like in Psalm 23, where it says, "Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me." One powerful testimony that comes to mind is that of Job, who faced incredible hardship and loss, yet remained faithful to God. His story is a testament to the power of faith in the midst of suffering. Despite losing his family, health, and livelihood, Job was able to say, "Though he slay me, yet will I hope in him." His faith was not based on his circumstances, but on his relationship with God. Job's story teaches us that faith is not the absence of doubt or fear, but the willingness to trust God despite them. It's a choice to trust Him even when we don't understand what's happening. When we choose to trust God, we open ourselves up to His peace and strength. In conclusion, empowering our faith during life's toughest moments is crucial for personal growth and resilience. By turning to prayer, community support, and reflecting on past experiences, we can strengthen our faith and find peace in the midst of challenges. If you've been through a tough time and have a story of how your faith helped you get through it, I want to hear about it. Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more ways to build your spiritual resilience, check out my next video on overcoming spiritual dryness.